Add 1 tablespoon of wine to each compartment of an ice cube tray and pop it in the freezer for 1 hour. Remove from the freezer and fill each compartment of the cube tray with 3/4 of a teaspoon of pink and white sprinkles. Add 1 teaspoon of wine to each section and freeze overnight. Resist the temptation to use multicolored sprinkles as the colors will soak into the wine, leaving you with a less than pleasant looking muddy mess. Squeeze lemons for a half a cup of fresh lemon juice, straining to remove any pulp and seeds. Add 1/2 cup sugar and 3¼ cup club soda. 1 teaspoon of grenadine syrup and stir. Drop in the sprinkled ice cubes. Garnish with a slice of lemon and you're ready to enjoy this refreshing beverage. Visit In Pam's Kitchen on social media.